Welcome to the Cheeky Vegan Chicks.
Thanks for joining us.
I'm Harmony.
And I'm Jenny.
And today we're going to make 3 different kinds of hummus. That is so easy. You guys, you don't need to buy hummus. These are going to be all oil-free.
Hey.
And very delicious.
And we heard you. You guys want easy recipes. So we're going to show you some easy stuff, an easy one today, and then 3 different ways you can make it, which I think is super exciting.
Right. And I'm very excited because Jenny's back from her cruise.
I am. I'm back.
Missed her so much.
I think I'm completely done detoxing.
Cool
and we look cute. All right.
So
I'm ready.
All right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's get nourished.
All right. So hummus. So easy, minimal ingredients. We have 1 can of chickpeas. We're going to do the traditional hummus first.
Okay.
Just classic hummus. And you should always, if you're going to use canned beans, you could of course cook your own. That's the cheapest way to go. But if you're going to use canned beans, make sure you find one that's salt-free. Seriously, the only one I've found that's salt-free is Eden brand,
which is my favorite.
I use it all the time.
Beans, all of their beans, right?
So basically, what it is 1 can of beans, juice of 1/2 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of tahini.
That is such an easy recipe.
Why people buy it, I don't know.
Well, I bought some the other day because I don't know how the easy way to make it.
Well,
so thank you for teaching me.
All
right, what do we got now?
So let's do the lemon.
Okay.
Oh, and also, so we drained off the chickpeas.
Oh, yeah.
And we saved the liquid. Where's the liquid?
It's right there.
This is called aquafaba. And this stuff is magical. If you whip it up, it whips into like a whipped cream. It's amazing. So we're going to use this as our liquid in here, but save the rest. What I do whenever I open a can is if I have extra, I put it in ice cube trays.
Oh yeah, that's so cute.
And then you have these to use for whenever you need it. It's really good for baking too.
Thanks for sharing that. That's information that it's helpful to know.
Yeah.
So
all right, so why don't you put the lemon in?
Okay.
And I'll chop the garlic.
Okay.
And then the tahini. You guys, this is the best tahini.
Ooh, I need to look at this.
We're going to leave links in the description box below for all this stuff, including this workhorse of a food processor.
This is Charlie, right? No, it's Brian the Brawn.
Brian the Brawn.
Brian the Brawn. Oh,
oopsie. All right. So we're going to do 2 cloves of garlic. You could do more. You could do less. Whatever is your preference. All right. So just throw the garlic in there, and you put the let's do 1 whole.
You want to do another one?
Yeah, let's do 1 whole one.
Okay.
So 1/4 cup.
That stuff smells it smells like an exotic peanut butter to me.
Oh, it's delicious. All right, 1/4 cup going in.
Oh, yum.
Look at that.
Can we invent smell-o-vision?
That would be nice.
Okay.
All right.
And this is our traditional, just plain, for those of you who plain Jane folks. Classic. I love it.
All right, let's get this going.
So classic is a nice fancy word for plain? Yes. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes. Running.
If this is a 1/4 cup going in here?
It's just you have to judge it. Depends on how thick or thin you want it.
I heard the thickness in that. It was like bloop.
Yeah, it's very thick. Ooh, it's looking good. I think it needs a little more aquafaba.
Okay. I'm just going to do like this. So
that's fine.
Have it. And then I'm going to put the extra back here.
So that probably turned into like
So that's the secret. You got to just kind of continue to monitor it. Add a little.
Yeah, see, this is going to be perfect. The other thing is you could do this in a Vitamix.
I was about to ask you, can I use my Vitamix?
You can, and it comes out really smooth. Remember that stuff?
Yes,
that one time?
it tastes like velvet.
The trick with the Vitamix is most of the time when I've done it, I wind up having to use too much liquid to get it to blend, and then it's too soupy.
Yeah.
So I stick with the
I
food
think I'm going to
processor.
invest in this.
Let's put a tiny bit of tamari in there.
Okay, I got you. Oh, you've already got it. Look at you.
Low sodium soy sauce.
Tamari or soy?
Well, tamari is wheat free. This is namashoyu. I love namashoyu.
Oh, I know you like namashoyu.
I'm just putting a teaspoon.
Just to make it a little salty.
Depth of flavor and add a little salt. Even though we're salt free. All right. That looks pretty good.
Okay.
I'll use this now, huh?
And here's our little tasting buddies there.
Oh.
Do we want to taste it first or wait till we get all three?
Let's taste it.
Okay. I love the taste.
I know, I do too.
Oh, I love the texture.
It's nice.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's got a little tiny bit of chunkiness, which
I
is
like
fine.
that though. You don't want it to be just paste.
Right.
You know?
Right.
I keep thinking about that lentil loaf I made in the Vitamix that time that tasted like paste. It looked like Elmer's glue.
Oh, that was just too blended, right?
Yes.
It too much? Yeah.
Yes. My dinner guest Till told me it was good, and I was like, it's not good. She was like, it's okay.
Probably was fine. All right.
So sweet, Alyssa.
Oh.
She's saying so sweet. Okay.
All right, let's do a little taste test.
Okay, I want this one.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay.
Mmm.
Perfect. Texture's
Delicious.
on point.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
Classic hummus.
Just the right amount of lemon, right amount of garlic.
It's yummy. And I don't even really like the classic kind. I think this is good. You got tahini. You can taste it.
Yep.
Really well.
All right.
Yum. All right, number 1.
2 coming up. Okay, our next is the roasted red pepper hummus. This has so much flavor, doesn't it? All right, so here we go. 1 can of the chickpeas.
Eden Organics, preferably, with no added salt.
This is the
tahini.
Tahini, 1/4 cup. Yummy.
Love this stuff.
Oh, this all the way in.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Oops, I forgot to turn.
Then we're gonna juice what? 1 lemon or half?
I think let's do a whole again. They're not very big.
I always like more lemon. The more lemon, the better.
Me too.
You can't ever put too much.
About lemon, if you're trying to cut out salt in your diet, which we have done,
it does. It helps.
It's so funny. I found this out from one of the whole food plant-based doctors. I don't remember which one. I think it was Dr. Clapper. Yeah. Your taste buds on your tongue, the sour taste buds sit right next to the salt taste buds. So you can actually trick your palate and in your taste buds. If you just squeeze a bunch of lemon over everything, it's so much easier. Because I was a saltaholic.
Same.
I ate so much salt.
And I went through this salt journey for a couple weeks, and now I don't need to add it, and I've gotten past it.
Yeah,
but
it takes a couple of weeks.
This grated this on a lot of meals during that time.
Lemon
and it very, very much so helps with that.
Yeah.
It's you're changing the flavor profile in your mouth.
So true.
Which is insane how it works, but it does.
It works.
Okay.
1/2 cup of roasted red peppers.
And just
red
a
bells.
secret, not a secret, but a tip. So when she would make this for me, and this is like my favorite thing, one of the things that she would make long ago before I was doing this, I would burden myself because I knew how to make this. You gave me the recipe, but I thought I had to roast my own peppers. And so I would do that, but what is the likelihood you're going to have an organic red bell pepper in your refrigerator?
Right.
You can buy these in the can.
Jar.
Maybe it's just me, but just sharing. People don't think about things like that.
Makes things a lot easier. It does.
Sorry, I end up going on and on.
No, it's fine. Okay, now we're going to put a teaspoon of smoked paprika. That adds a wonderful flavor. And instead of fresh garlic for this one, I decided we're going to use roasted garlic. And you can roast your own garlic at home.
And it smells delicious.
It's so good. And then just a teaspoon of the soy sauce.
That's the soy sauce we used in the last one.
Spin that up, and then we're going to add our liquid. It's so easy, you guys.
It's on 9.
That's fine.
Tell me when.
Oh, it's going to be so good. Keep going.
Oh, aquafaba. Here we go.
That's going to do it, Penny.
Is that it? You want to check? You want to see if we're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's so
Get
gorgeous.
that beautimousness.
Do you need your little thing? Where is
Yeah.
it? I thought I had.
Wow,
Oh, I got to
that's so pretty.
wipe it off for the tahini.
Smells good.
This one's my favorite. It always has been before.
Well, it's got a lot of flavor. Roasted red pepper.
Before I had yours, but yours is like my favorite.
Yeah.
It almost looks like pimento cheese a little bit.
Doesn't it?
It does. It gave me an idea.
Yeah.
So pretty.
All right.
All right.
Let
Favorite part?
us have a taste.
test.
What happened to our little veggies? Oh,
They're
there
right
they
here.
are. I'm going to use a cute celery this
Me
time.
too. Okay, ready?
Ready. Cheers.
Cheers it. Mmm.
Wow.
It is so good.
That's a lot of flavor.
It has a little bit of it reminds me of pimento cheese.
Yeah.
It still tastes like
bit of a
hummus,
bite.
but it's delicious.
Very good. All
Mm.
right. Number 2 is done. Well, now we're going to do...
I'm not double dipping.
The next one we're going to do is spinach. Now, spinach
Ooh.
hummus. So delicious and so beautiful. And instead of tahini, this time we're going to use an avo
Ooh.
for the fat content.
We'll be back in a minute.
Yep.
Now the last one, we're going to do a spinach.
Spinach.
And we're using an avocado, which is always exciting.
It is. So, Jeannie, why don't you go ahead and start on that? While I
Same
get this avo.
exact base that we've been doing, right? So
Yep.
a can of Eden organic beans, and this is our lemon juice going in.
I'm going to use a half of an avocado because that turns out to be about the same amount as the tahini that we would use. So avocado in place of tahini. Yeah.
And you're just going to use no tahini in this recipe at all?
Nope. Avo is plenty of fat.
Perfect. So it's going to give us some really pretty color, as you can imagine.
Oh, it's going to be beautiful.
And I don't know if you can see, but the beautiful baby spinach or regular spinach, I'm not sure what, but
it's
this
just
really
regular
pretty.
baby spinach. You know, you can use any kind of bean for hummus. It's not authentic that way. Traditionally, it's always chickpeas, but I've made hummus with white beans. I've made it with black beans.
Black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas.
You know what else? A friend sent me a recipe request for lima bean, butter bean hummus.
Ooh, that sounds
Wouldn't
good.
that be good?
Sounds really good. Wait a minute. One more.
Tamari?
We got our... Yes. All right.
All right.
Let her rip.
Let her go. Here we go.
There it goes.
Ooh.
This might be a good one to
This
make
is
in
the
Vitamix.
secret. The secret is
Yeah.
this stuff. For those of you who've tried to make this and it doesn't end up right, it might be because it gets too dry and you add the aquafaba.
Right. Let's scrape down the sides.
Okay.
Ooh,
Yum.
pretty.
It looks amazing.
It does. Did we put the garlic in? I don't think we put the garlic in.
We didn't?
Let's put the garlic in.
I swear you
No,
just...
there's no garlic.
Oh, okay. You might want to do that.
Garlic.
I was gonna
make
offer
at least one faux pas.
I was gonna
during our
offer
videos.
powder, but she's got it.
Yeah.
She's got it together. She got it going on.
Isn't that right, Ginny?
Yeah.
We have to make at least one mistake.
I mean, the way I look
Per
at
video.
it, I look at it is the way these videos are is that it's real life. We're real people.
It is.
And this is really
We're not in a
we're really
television
eating
studio.
this.
Right.
So we're gonna make mistakes because we're human.
We are.
So that's how I look at it. The more faux pas, the better to me.
We make fun of ourselves. Wow. Oh, guess what?
Where's that blade at?
Blade's
I put
not
it
in
over here.
Oh my gosh, we are silly.
Okay, hold on. Go.
It's in? Okay.
Yeah.
This on. All
Now
right.
do it.
Yay.
We did it! I'm the most excited about this one.
Are you? Okay, here's our finished spinach.
And you, which
hummus.
one? Which
I'm
would
gonna
you
use
like?
A carrot for
Me
this.
too. We picked the same veggie just to try.
Over a little.
We're
Okay,
so
come closer
We're
to
so
me.
cheesy.
We're cheesy and cheeky. Cheers. Cheers.
Mmm.
Lemony.
Lemon
Ooh,
spinach. You have to call it.
Delicious.
Very good.
This deserves a dance.
All of them do.
They do.
Can we get them all out and go like this?
Oh, yeah. Oh wow. This is great.
It is. I'm not double dipping.
I didn't either. I turned it around.
Oh, me too.
All right, so
that's my favorite today.
these recipes, excuse me, let me finish my bite.
And let me just remind you of the ones we made earlier. We have our classic. This is the best one in my opinion, but today I think this one, I've never had this one. So spinach,
it's yummy.
roasted red bell pepper.
And all of these recipes will be in the description box below, as well as some of the tools that we use and the ingredients. So, what else? Oh, if you liked this video and you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. We're growing.
We are growing.
Yeah,
and we're actually interested in what you want to see. So
yes, comments.
Let us know.
Let us know if you have any recipes you want us to do, any other hummus flavors you want us to do.
Yeah, this was fun.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Well, until next time.
Until next time.
Nothing tastes as good as healthy feels.